You gonna put this on YouTube?
Damn right. Hey, y'all know me. When you see the brown dickie, you know me. You know what it be about. I'm with the boys. With the toys.
That's it.
My table. My table is cool. I'm chilling. I ain't bothering nobody over here. But I have some friends. And I'm playing. My friends are not playing. Do my friends? What do my friends do?
The slide fires.
Not playing. Zombies and all, baby. Lauderdale Fat. My boy Spyros and his family are not playing.
You ready to go toasting?
You see that right there? That's a Honda Accord in his hand. Papa. Yes. Is not playing.
Got those slide fire on for the AK.
Papa
Look at it.
is not playing. Say it again. Papa is not
thank you.
playing. Russia. See that?
Yes.
You see Russia.
Russia.
Check this out. No good for your health. Papa's really not playing. This is called a 50 cal. Papa is not playing. No games. Camera's not all that good, I know.
Are you kidding me? That thing, I saw the it's ridiculous. It's uncontrolled.
Nobody is playing.
That's right up. Looks like it will.
100 rounds. 100 rounds.
Yeah.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.